this video, we're going to show you how to assemble your Positiv chair. Simply follow these easy step-by-step instructions and you'll be ready to go. Your chair will arrive in a box with everything you need to assemble it. Clear a space on the floor, unpack the box, lay out all the parts neatly and move the box out of your way. Firmly place the gas stem into the base. Place the seat onto the gas stem. With the chair back towards you, slide the backrest into the slot at the back of the seat and push until it clicks into place. Set the chair upright. Your chair is now fully assembled and ready to be used. Thanks for watching our video. If you'd like more information about healthy working postures, you can head to our website at posturite.co.uk.